How to set keyboard to use Samsung voice input or Google voice typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Voice Input. After click on Voice Input, you will see if you want to set keyboard use Samsung Google Voice Typing, click on Google Voice Typing. You will see Samsung keyboard is set on Google Voice Typing. If you want to set Samsung keyboard voice input, click on voice input. You will see Samsung keyboard is set on voice input. So you will select Google Voice Typing and Samsung voice input from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set keyboard to use Samsung voice input or Google Voice Typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.